Today we're making mushroom pinwheel appetizers. These are one of my absolute favorite appetizers to make during the holiday season, particularly Thanksgiving. Let me show you how it's made. We need 16 ounces of chopped mushrooms. Well, let me go wash these. It's entirely up to you if you want to keep the stems or not. I did. Some people don't like them. They don't scare me. We're chopping them up nice and small. We don't want any big chunkies. This looks good. We need 1 white onion, also chopped up into tiny pieces. The smaller, the better. Ta-da! To a pan over medium-high heat, add in about 3 tablespoons or so of olive oil. Toss in those onions. We're gonna let this cook for a bit until it's almost translucent. While that's on the stove, we're gonna quickly chop up 2 garlic cloves. This recipe calls for just 1, which in my head means we need more. Finely chopped, of course. Okay, put that off to the side. Our onions are coming along nicely. I'd say this is the perfect time to add in those mushrooms. We're gonna go ahead and cook these until they shrink up in size. It's been a few minutes. Let's take a quick look. It looks nice and sauteed, exactly what we want. To a bowl, we're gonna dump in all of our mushrooms and onions. Next goes in 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Dump in that raw garlic we chopped up earlier, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Get in there, you. Mix, mix, mix. We are done with the filling. Now it's time to roll out our puff pastry. Setting that off to the side, grab some parchment paper, enough for your baking sheet. Take your puff pastry, open it up, and if it looks a little messy, grab your rolling pin and flatten it out a bit. Take half of your filling and evenly spread it out over your puff pastry. That's right, we have enough filling to cover 2 puff pastry sheets. Luckily, most boxes of puff pastry have 2 sheets included. We want a nice thin layer of the mushroom mixture. Next goes on the mozzarella cheese. This recipe says in total you'll need about 1½ cups of mozzarella cheese split between 2 puff pastry sheets. So we're looking at roughly 3/4 of a cup per sheet. Sprinkle that all over as evenly as you can get it. To roll it up, we're going to start on whatever side is the longest side. Carefully lift up your puff pastry and roll from one end to the other as tightly as you can without ripping it. Before we slice it up, we're going to give this a quick egg wash. To make the egg wash, you'll need 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of water whisked together. Brush that on. Save the rest of that egg wash for your second puff pastry log. Grab your favorite knife and slice off your pinwheels about 1 inch thick. Arrange your pinwheels on your parchment paper. They shouldn't spread too much, but just to be on the safe side, give them a little wiggle room. Into the oven at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on your oven. There you have it, a super quick and easy appetizer. One of my favorites, so happy to be able to share this with you. If you're interested, I'll insert an ingredients list right here. What you see here are pinwheels from just 1 sheet of puff pastry. We didn't even make the second batch. It's in the fridge. I'm waiting until later. That brings up another good point. If you want to make this the night before your event, yes you can. Make the filling, cover it, and set it in the fridge overnight. All that would remain would be rolling out the puff pastry, applying the filling and the cheese, rolling it up, slicing, and baking. Let me know in the comments what you think. I'm always curious. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. I will be posting more holiday themed recipes soon. It's almost comfort food season. Soups and stews as we get closer to the fall and winter months. I can't wait. I'll see you all in the next video.